Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and let's get into it. Okay, in today's video I just want to give you guys an overview and more on what it is to actually have a system running for you. So this is a little bit of a mindset video of today, as well as exactly what I'm doing personally in my own system, in my own business, how I run things. And if you do wish to follow, then this is what it's going to be. Okay, pretty much on all my videos I talk about the strategy, and what is the main mindset behind it is creating a machine for yourself that you let it run for you no matter what, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. If you have a day job, if you don't have a job and you want to run this system, you can do it. If you want to do it part-time, you can do it part-time. But ultimately it has 5 streams of income, and I'm going to name them all for you in this video and show you exactly how to work the system. So what are the kind of products that you need in the system, or what are the kind of products that I do promote in my system, and why do I promote these products? Firstly, because I've been in them for a while, and in my opinion they are pretty much consistent, and they definitely give you the right mindset behind how you should set up your business in any kind of shape or form. Okay, so the first is Easy One Up, which is the first income stream. So I'm going to put number 1 right here. Okay, so you see the first income stream, and that gives you digital products which allow you to understand but also implement strategies that they teach you within Easy One Up itself on how you can build your business on a day-to-day basis. So it's digital products that help you build a business. Okay. Secondly is FutureNet, which is a social media platform which I use for lead generation as well as building my brand. Okay, and this is a key element to the whole pro system that we have in place. And the third that we have is iCoin Pro, which is a wealth building aspect, in my opinion. Okay, it teaches you how to generate leads and how to not only marketing. It is a network marketing company, but it is basically a cryptocurrency based company. So I really want to show you how I should have this flow within the system. Then you have Online Sales Pro, which is the fourth stream of income. Okay, which is the system itself. The Pro system is built on Online Sales Pro, and the 5th is Aweber. Now these two are tools that I suggest anybody who wants to get started online would need these 2 tools in their business. Okay, and the last and key element is traffic right here. Now this is a plan that I have in place, which my mentor as well is following. I do use Online Sales Pro. He does use another marketing system, but it ultimately the same strategy that we keep doing again and again, which week in after week out, it is possible. And let me just write down right here. Let's increase the size. The main element to the whole thing is consistency, guys. Okay, we need to put this week in and week out every single time that we do anything within the system. Okay, so as I said, online Easy One Up gives you 100% commissions. So this is 100% commissions. Okay, this pays you on 3 main elements. So actually you would have 3 streams of income within FutureNet itself, but we're going to focus on it as 1 stream of income. And iCoin Pro teaches you how to do things independently. Now, how do I do this? Okay, how do I do this? Every single week, this is how we follow and how the money plan or money flow works. If you want to talk about the money flow specifically with the system. Okay, whenever we make a sale in Easy One Up, okay, we take 30% of that. So what I do is take a percentage of that, and I'm going to put into consistency, because all of these things are consistent. Okay, and that consistency exists of sending traffic. So like I said, a percentage of that. The rest of the money, and I'm going to put this here. Okay, the rest of the money goes, I'm going to put a smiley face because it makes me happy that I get paid. We need to pay ourselves. Goes into my pocket. Okay, so percentage of that goes into traffic, and a percentage of that goes into my pocket. Now the reason why I do that is because it creates a traffic budget or a advertising budget for myself. Okay, FutureNet, the same thing. Every single week goes into consistency, goes into sending traffic. Now this method, I use specifically Future Ad Pro, which is one of the streams of income, okay, to send traffic every single week to my products. You can check out on my channel itself, on my YouTube channel itself, I have other videos to express or to show you guys proof of withdrawals and everything else with Future Net. Okay, but primarily what it does is that it keeps the machine rolling. Now I'll explain to you why. The third thing is that you have iCoin Pro. Now also a percentage obviously of what I'm earning, but right now I'm putting everything that I have in FutureNet into traffic so that it keeps running for me. But ultimately you reach a point where you're making, for example, $50 a day, and I would suggest $50 a day, and then you can take out a percentage of that and put it in your pocket and keep $50 a week or $100 a week for traffic and continue this same kind of method. iCoin Pro itself allows me to do two things. It puts money into my pocket through trading without recruiting or anything. It just puts money into my pocket through trading. Put the arrow properly, okay? And at the same time, iCoin Pro, again, consistency. If I make a sale in iCoin Pro, what I do is I increase my trading account. So to build this up, okay, because I don't need it for recruitment's sake, but I do put a percentage of what I do earn into traffic again, and this promotes the system. Now you can see that there are three things that go straight into traffic over here. Now what is traffic and why does it help? Let me go ahead and say any kind of commissions that I make from OSP goes into my pocket, okay? Anything that I make in Online Sales Pro goes into my pocket. Anything that I make in Aweber goes into my pocket. Okay. Now these two right here, 1, 2, and 3 are monthly income sources for me. So if you increase the fact that you increase online people who use Online Sales Pro, who use the system, and who use Aweber and who use iCoin Pro, just this itself, because as you can see, I put a space right here. The reason why I put a space right here is this is the crypto world for me, and it just exists of one product with the system and traffic. And this brings more income into my pocket because more people want to learn how to market with Online Sales Pro and Aweber to promote their iCoin Pro business, and it allows me to generate income in all the three streams. But as you can see, 4 things go into my pocket, 4 income streams go into my pocket. Ultimately, you can even have FutureNet go into your pocket, but this is how I do it. And when you have traffic, what happens is traffic goes to the system, okay? Traffic goes to the system right here. This is what I do. Now, when the traffic goes to the system, Online Sales Pro promotes directly through my sales funnel 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it promotes that. So there's a reason why I buy traffic is that it promotes these 3 elements. And Aweber itself does the same thing. So I'm going to put this in a box so you guys can see. Okay. Aweber does the same thing. Now I know it looks like a chaos right here, but if you see it, it's a very, very simple machine that it goes. The moment you make sales here, you put it into traffic budget. The traffic budget goes ahead and promotes. It goes to the system. Okay, now if you want to see the system, you can check it out below, but I'll just show you very quickly. This is the landing page that I send everybody to. It's a self-branded landing page. You can make yourself a page like this, or you can have other pages for yourself with the help of Online Sales Pro. So everything is promoted here in this business through this page. So that's all I send my traffic to. I send my traffic to this page or any other page that helps me promote my business. Okay, it comes and it goes here and promotes these 3 opportunities as well as the 5 income streams that exist. Now, the mindset behind this, guys, is like, as you can see, it creates a budget for yourself. Every single week, you don't have to take money out of your pocket, but rather you're putting money into your pocket and you're putting money aside for you to actually run the business. Now, this is a strategy which, if you take into consideration, every single big company does the same. They just do it on a different scale. You always have a marketing budget. You always have an advertising budget. You always put aside some sort of income from your main sources of sales into a traffic budget so that you can always advertise and then scale up your business. So this is what we're doing. If you want to start, you can start off with just easy $1 focus on getting sales, push traffic through the system, get sales in Easy One Up, and start building your budget. I would suggest to start off with Easy One Up and FutureNet, because that gives you a good basis of, first of all, free advertising on FutureNet social media platform, as well as paid advertising through the Future Ad Pro system itself. But at the end of the day, you can see that the two elements are making yourself happy by paying yourself, obviously, and consistency in selling traffic. Now, this is what I do week in and week out. I want to show you, for example, I just purchased traffic yesterday. Okay, I just purchased traffic yesterday, and that is for the week. Now, next week I will purchase again, and the following week I will purchase again, and the following week I'll purchase again. And this creates sort of what happens with me, or what happens in this system itself, that it reaches a point where you're making $50 a day through maybe sales in Easy One Up, which is $100, and they take 50% out and put it into traffic. Or you're making in Future Ad Pro or FutureNet, you're making around $50 a day in itself passively, so you can take out that money and put it into traffic. iCoin Pro as well, you can make a certain amount. For example, if you make $100 in trades that you can put a percentage of that into traffic, which is why. But the two independent elements is iCoin Pro you don't need to recruit anybody at the end of the day. You can just learn the methods and start trading, and that's going to be beneficial for you. So it gives you the independent, gives you the control of your finances, as well as it keeps a monthly income in place as well. And if you need like fast cash, Easy One Up does it for you. So if you think about it, you have three elements in place. You have fast cash, you have passive income, and you have residual income, as well as control of your own finances. How cool is that? Okay, so this is what I've been doing since May 2018, and I put it together in the Pro system, which is what it's called. In fact, the link is in the description in case you're interested. But fundamentally, this is what I focus on every single week, and the mindset behind it is the consistency. Okay, I wanted you guys to see the plan and actually understand the elements, but there are 5 streams of income, and I'm going to be putting out much more videos on this and talking about it. So if you're interested, again, subscribe to the channel. We're going to talk about each element and how it helps you online sales pro, how to build landing pages, how to build a system itself. And ultimately, what I would prefer, what I would want for anybody who does join me, is get the independency of building a system like this in place. Whether you want to start with affiliate marketing, whether you want to start with real estate, whether you want to start with anything that you're doing online, this can help you with, but even offline. Okay, so think about the method behind it, think about the strategy behind it, but ultimately this is how it is. Okay, you do it long enough and you're going to see results in all the businesses. If you do it long enough, you're going to see consistent action and people actually asking you how you're building your business, and that's going to help you added to which. Okay, so everything else that I do, YouTube videos, Instagram, etc., are all added to sending people to this funnel right here. So it's a combination of free traffic and paid traffic, but I focus on the paid traffic method to teach, and the free traffic method is just a bonus anytime I get people join me through Facebook, through YouTube, through Instagram. It's just an added advantage for myself. Okay, and like I said, the Pro system is in the description below. Check it out. And if you do want to join the Pro system and you want to duplicate the same kind of results that I'm getting and the same system itself, then once you get everything, or rather you get Online Sales Pro through the link in the description of this video, then I will hand it over to you and give it you for free, the whole system that can promote all these elements for you. If you do have, if you already in Easy One Up, for example, or in Future Ad Pro, FutureNet, or in iCoin Pro, I can give you the whole system and you can promote yourself. But the key element is to have Online Sales Pro and Aweber. So these are the 2 things that I would suggest that you get in order for me to help you, give you a whole system that runs on autopilot if you plug and play. Implementation of the strategy is the key element, guys. Consistency and implementation of the strategy. That's it from me in this video. I'm going to see you on the next video. My name is David Pinto, and I hope you have a great day and hope you have a great week, a great month, because it's the 1st of October, and I wish you all the best. Have a great day.